Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Messenger. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. There are two ways to block someone on Messenger. The first is to tap and hold the conversation and tap block. The second way is to tap the conversation and tap the information icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and tap block. You can either block them only on Messenger or you can block their profile on Facebook. Tap any one of the two and tap block to confirm. And that's how you block someone on Messenger. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.